This is inside the canal looking east. That's where it stops, right here on the east side. And then we start the collapse side. Like I say, it's the wall is 62 inches in height, dirt on the backfill from the foundation of the bottom of the base. Like I say, there's your rebar. Nothing. 6 inches. There's your base. Pretty much just a slab poured over, block poured over, and drill a few rebars. Most of them are, what do you think, Joe? 6 feet apart. There are 8 blocks. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 blocks apart from each other. And then they drilled in. There's one that's still drilled in there by that rock. There's one there. So they just broke off some of them, and some pulled completely out. The ones that pulled out are like this one right here. It's probably 6 inches in height, and there's the hole. There's Joe.
4 inches.
4 inches is all. Some kind of metal there into the dirt. I don't know what that is. A lot of roots. This is the SRP line running along here. We'll have to pull back and rebury.
That's gas, huh?
You know what that is? Orange? I'll have to check out. That might even be a gas line. I don't know. Anyway, we've got a lot of work cut out for us. It's 322 feet from the Zuni Bridge all the way to that wall, and 130 feet of it collapsed. So I think we ought to go all the way and do it right, because the whole thing is wrong. But this is
if we go forward and face that wall there,
all the way to there, 311 feet.
It's almost falling down. Look at it from here.
Yeah, this wall is bowing already up at the east end here. So we gotta do something with it. We might as well go back, clear to that wall beyond where we put the pipe in.